Good afternoon. Is everyone excited to be here? So we have a theory here at Nasdaq. The louder you clap and cheer, the more green I see behind me, and we're not going to have a problem with that today. My name is Christina Ayanian from the listings team here at Nasdaq, and it is my great pleasure to welcome your founder and chief executive officer, Bradley Burnam of Turn Therapeutics, and the entire Turn Therapeutics team to the Nasdaq family. Welcome, everyone. Today marks a major milestone as Turn Therapeutics enters the public markets on Nasdaq under the ticker symbol TTRX. Congratulations. Turn Therapeutics is redefining biotechnology with a mission to advance dermatology, wound care, and infection control. Their groundbreaking permafusion platform literally mixes oil and water to deliver next-generation solutions for patients and healthcare providers. Turn Therapeutics was founded by a patient for patients. At the heart of every innovation is a commitment to develop products that are safe, effective, and most importantly, accessible. The company's lean operating model, which leverages an extensive network of partners, is surpassed in minimizing waste that can be passed to patients and shareholders. Traditional approaches to dermatology, wound care, and infection control often rely on systemic ingredients and outdated methods. Turn Therapeutics solutions not only aim to improve efficacy, but also empower clinicians with better tools, leading to faster healing, reduced complications, and improved quality of life for patients. Turn Therapeutics technology is backed by robust clinical evidence and has been widely endorsed by leading healthcare professionals. The company represents a new standard in biotechnology, constantly innovating based upon user feedback, patient need, and a steadfast commitment to equity and availability. From all of us at Nasdaq, we are thrilled to welcome Turn Therapeutics to the Nasdaq family and to support your journey as a public company. Your commitment to innovation and improving lives aligns perfectly with the values we celebrate here at Nasdaq. And now please join me in welcoming your founder and CEO, Bradley Burnam, to the podium for further remarks.
Wow. Well, who needs to give a speech when I've got this back there? So 9 years ago, Turn wasn't a company. It was just me. It was one person at Kinko's workstation, a credit line, and proof that something impossible just wasn't impossible. We weren't built on window dressing. We don't have fancy offices or a roster of people pretending to be busy, having meetings to plan the next meeting. Turn was built on a shoestring with an absolute disdain for waste and a complete disregard for routine. Whatever the algorithm is, or was, I say we shredded it. Scrappy is in, waste is out, doing more with less, being flexible when the world changes, working harder from the middle seat to make first-class products, that is what moves markets nowadays, results. And I gotta tell you, standing on the trading floor after starting on the garage floor, it feels like we need to rethink the word impossible a little bit. Tell Boeing and Airbus that flying is impossible. Tell Apple and IBM that a computer in every home is impossible. Tell Google you can't put all the world's knowledge in one space. Nasdaq, to me, is literally the temple of the impossible. They told me it's impossible to mix oil and water. We have a liquid and oil drug in phase 2s right now that says otherwise. They said you can't get an FDA clearance without zillion-dollar consultants. I got my first one for 24 grand at a public computer. They said you can't build a company of this scale at 1/10, maybe 1/20th the spend, and here we are. And finally, they said you can't make drugs safe, effective, and affordable, all while manufacturing in the United States. And to that, I just say, watch us. For all of us at Turn, this is not an end, this is not an exit, this is the exact opposite. It's our way of proving, just on a global scale now, that you can do exceeding amounts of good and exceedingly well at the same time. It's possible. To the industry titans, the Arthurs, the Andrews, the Michaels, the Martins, the Kents, the people who didn't need to help me but believed I was just crazy enough to pull it off, thank you. It's because of you that we're here. To my team, friends first, colleagues second, we built this shoulder to shoulder, not top to bottom. And to our shareholders, both previous and new, this isn't just a company anymore, this is a community. Friends, collaborators who want to be part of something bigger, something inclusive, something that never makes decisions in a vacuum, and something that thinks the word impossible is just an opinion, not a rule. So thank you for this honor. Maybe when I watch the video back, I'll believe it happened. Until then, I have no interest in waking up. Thank you.